Hello everyone, I want to welcome you all back to my channel. My name is Todd. So over the past year of having my cooking channel on YouTube, I've gotten questions from friends and followers on my different social media platforms what kind of pots I'm using in my cooking videos. So the brand is called Magnalite, and here's just a little bit of information in regard to it. The Magnalite line of cast aluminum products was introduced in the early 30s. It was made from a patented aluminum alloy. The company employed an industrial designer named John Gordon Rideout to overhaul the design of the Wagner products in an effort to counter the falling sales during the Depression. So in '33, Rideout and his partner Harold Van Doorn designed a Magnalite tea kettle with different degrees of thickness to maximize heat conductivity. So in '34, they designed a Magnalite aluminum covered casserole for Wagner. So the Randall Company of Cincinnati, Ohio, which at the time manufactured car parts, bought the Wagner Manufacturing Company in 1952. So in '59, the Randall Corporate Company was acquired by Textron. And then Textron sold the Wagner and Griswold line of General House Corporations in 1969. So in '96, General Household Corporation sold the rights to Wagner and Griswold's lines of cookware to the Slyman Group, or Slyman Group. Depends on how you want to say. And after falling into receivership, the Wagner factory and the Griswold trademark were bought by American Culinary Corporation of Willsboro, Ohio. And as of 2014, American Culinary continues to market the product brands Wagner, Wagnerware, Magnalite, and Griswold. And so the Wagner and Griswold brands are highly valued by collectors. So the current set that I have, which is 2 pots, a small one and a large one, and those are roughly 30 years old. My parents have a set, which is roughly over 50 years old. So let me pull these pots out so you can have a look. So here are the 2 Magnalite pots that I use. This is an 8-quart pot, and this is a 17-quart pot. And these are all original Magnalite pots. So there is a brand of Magnalite that does come out of China, but the lids on those pots will not fit these. So what you can do to see where your pots are from, if you have Magnalite, if you look at the bottom, you'll see they're made in the USA for one, and they will have GHC, which is for General Houseware Corporation. So these are pretty much my go-tos for most of my cooking. So if you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found the information useful. I will include a couple of links to some different sites for Magnalite. Remember, new videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. And so until next time, enjoy.